Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2013 Ducati Multistrada 1200s Gran Turismo. This is Ducati's full-size sport touring motorcycle. Has a 1200cc twin engine, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This is the clean title California bike. This bike has 41,323 miles on the odometer. Have service records on hand, ABS brakes, traction control, multi-mode rider positions, 150 horse. This bike packs a lot of performance, a lot of torque, factory luggage, top cases, side cases, priced attractively at $86.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-06